following behind Medic West Ambulance 110. They service Las Vegas, Clark County, North Las Vegas, and Henderson. Medic West and AMR are owned by the same company that operates both of them. So sometimes you'll see Medic West, sometimes you'll see AMR, but they are the same company. They respond in tandem with usually North Las Vegas Fire Department and Rescue or Las Vegas and Clark County, and sometimes they even get there before the city resources do, just because they're not coming out of stations. They're basically just floating around the city. When they don't have calls, they'll just park in a shady spot somewhere and wait to be called, and that's often why they can get there closer. Here's what the ambulance looks from the side. We'll go ahead and overtake it so you can see. There you have it, Medic West Ambulance. They're pretty big compared to some ambulances you see overseas. There's plenty of room inside of them. Most of them have advanced life-saving capabilities. There's quite a bit they can do in there. If the paramedics can get to you in a quick amount of time, odds are you're going to be okay and make it. And again, want to give a shout out to all the paramedics and first responders during this time of COVID-19. Appreciate all that they're doing on the front lines.